What's going on, YouTube? You clicked on this video because you want to know if it is necessary to load creatine, and we're going to find out right now. Okay, so creatine. First off, let's start out with finding out what is creatine. Okay, now creatine is a naturally produced by your body in your kidneys, liver, and pancreas. It's made from 3 amino acids: glycine, arginine, and methionine. On average, you make about 1 to 2 grams of creatine per day, which is primarily stored in your skeletal muscles. The compound is naturally found in food, primarily in beef, chicken, pork, and fish, but the problem is you can't possibly eat enough of those things to get the amount of creatine that you would need to actually make an impact, right? So it'll take a lot of beef, pork, and fish consumed to get the same amount of creatine that you can get in that little 5-gram dosage. There's also several forms of creatine, but creatine monohydrate is one of the most researched supplements known to man. Creatine replenishes your body's stores of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which is a molecule that stores energy and fuels your cells to provide energy to your muscles. This increase in available energy has been shown to boost muscle size, strength, and power. Studies have shown that creatine can increase markers of athletic performance as well, including muscle, power, and strength by 5 to 15%. That's a lot. That's a lot. When you're the average Joe, man, we'll take whatever percentage we can get. Now, the dosing strategies. On the back of most creatine supplements, it's going to say you can load it by taking 20 to 25 grams of creatine split into 4 to 5 equal doses for 5 to 7 days, right? Now, you clicked on this channel because you wanted to know if that is necessary. No, it is not necessary, because the end goal that you want to achieve is to saturate your body in creatine. Okay, now the other method that you can choose besides loading is to just take it regularly. Like, to start out taking creatine 5 grams per day each day. Now, it's going to take longer for your body to become fully saturated with creatine, but again, you clicked on this video asking if it's necessary to load creatine, and I'm telling you that it's not necessary to load creatine. But if you were to load creatine, you would become saturated a lot faster. So you would actually reap the benefits of creatine faster, as opposed to somebody who just did the regular dosage and they did the 5 grams of I was about to say protein, of creatine a day. Now, if you were to load it, your muscles will be fully saturated with creatine in 5 to 7 days, as opposed to, I think it takes like 28 days to experience the same benefits if you didn't load creatine and if you just took the 5 grams of creatine per day. The conclusion to this video is no, you do not have to load creatine. Creatine loading is not necessary, but you can do it. It's not going to harm you. Creatine is a natural thing, right? You get it from things that are natural: beef, pork, chicken, fish. You can't take too much creatine, but a lot of water could kill you. A lot of anything could kill you. So I'm not going to say that it's not going to harm you, but the average person is not going to consume ridiculous amounts of creatine. Just do the 5 grams of creatine that it tells you to do on the bottle. Me personally, and this is not a sponsorship, or this is not me promoting them by any means, but I use the Vitamin Shop creatine. It's just creatine monohydrate, and it comes in, I forget how big the bottle is, but it's a lot of serving, and it usually lasts me a long time. So when you buy your creatine, make sure you buy the big bottle so that you don't have to keep buying them. I actually buy the powder. Creatine comes in capsules as well. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope that you found the information contained in this video to be informative in some kind of way. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, share this video with others who may have questions about whether or not loading creatine is necessary or not. And if you want to find out more stuff about fitness, I have a fitness channel. It's called Full Body Assault. Click on the link, subscribe to it, where we do full body workouts. I show you how to build more muscle while spending less time in the gym. That's it for this video. I'll speak with you guys soon.